Disconnect two wires from the ADF and then unscrew from the ground wire. Lift up the ADF first and then press the right ADF assembly hinge to unlock. After that, lift the ADF to remove it from the printer. Unlock 4 hooks at the bottom of the front scanner cover and lift the OP up. Remove the connector from the OP. Unlock 3 hooks from the back side of the scanner. Unlock both hooks by pressing down both sides of the scanner. Then remove the flatbed or scan cover assembly. Remove the CIS connectors from both ends. Then separate the CIS from the belt.